everyone, my name is Aparna. Today I would like to discuss about basics of photosynthesis. All living things requires food to survive. Humans and animals eat other animals or plants as a food. But plants cannot eat like humans or animals. How they obtain food? Plants can obtain food by preparing it on their own by the process is called as photosynthesis. All green plants can perform this photosynthesis activity. It is the most important activity in all green plants. Not only green plants, some bacteria also perform this photosynthesis activity. Those are called as cyanobacteria. The word photosynthesis is made up of two words. One is photo, second one is synthesis. Here photo means light. The word synthesis means making. The word synthesis means making or formation or putting together. During photosynthesis, the leaves captured the sunlight and changed into carbohydrate like sugar molecules, particularly starch. Here, the light energy is converted into chemical energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of starch molecules which are stored in leaves. This is called as photosynthesis. By this process, some amount of oxygen also released into the atmosphere. To carry out photosynthesis, four most important things are required the plant. One is sunlight. Second one, chlorophyll. Third one, carbon dioxide or CO2. Fourth one, water or H2O. These four things are very important for photosynthesis in plants. Let's see one by one. First one is sunlight. The process photosynthesis begins with trapping of sunlight by leaves. The photosynthesis begins with trapping of sunlight by leaves. Here, sun is the ultimate source of photosynthesis. And second important thing, chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll pigment is green color pigment which are present in the chloroplast of cells of leaves. Chlorophyll pigments are present in the chloroplast which are present in the cells of leaves. Let's see the ultrastructure of chloroplast. Each chloroplast is mainly divided into two parts. One is liquid part, stroma. Another one is grana. Each grana contains chlorophyll pigments. These chlorophyll pigments are important for photosynthesis. Here, the chloroplast absorbs and store the light energy. This stored light energy is important for making of food. And other important things, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. These are the raw materials of photosynthesis. The plant absorbs the carbon dioxide from the air. Here, the carbon dioxide travels into leaves with the help of pore, that is called as stomata, which are present on the surface of leaf. These are called stomata. Here, the CO2, carbon dioxide, enter into the leaf with the help of pore, that is called as stomata, which are present on the surface of the leaf. And next important thing, water. The plant absorbs the water from the soil with the help of root. These water molecules transported into leaves by the stem. These water molecules transported into leaves by the stem with the help of root. From stomata, CO2 enter into the chloroplast of leaf. Here, the water molecule is combined and to form sugar molecules. Is this nothing but starch? This sugar molecule is stored in the leaves. This sugar molecules is carried to other different parts by special tube-like structure. This is called as phloem. The entire process of photosynthesis is simply represented by one equation. That is, carbon dioxide plus water gives rise to sugar molecule, particularly starch, and some amount of oxygen. With the help of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. By this equation, the photosynthesis is defined as: photosynthesis is the process in which sugar molecules are formed from carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll pigments. This is called as photosynthesis. In this process, some small amount of oxygen also released into the atmosphere. This is all about photosynthesis. Thank you so much.